Ingredients for cooking rice in a clay pot: 2 to 3 cups. When cooking 2 cups rice. 2 cups 400 to 450 milliliters of water is a standard when cooking 3 cups rice. 3 cups 600 to 650 milliliters of water is a standard. 1 cup equals 180 cc. Quickly grind and rinse with water. Repeat 3 times and keep in water. Because rice absorbs a lot of water when it begins to sharpen, please sharpen it quickly. It is a standard to keep rice in water for 30 minutes in summer and 1 hour in winter. Drain rice water with a colander. Add rice. Add water. Even a pot with a lid at home is okay. Put on medium heat. If you cook in a pot with a lid at home, start from a high heat. After boiling, let low heat for 15 minutes. Turn off the fire and steam for 10 minutes. It is the completion of delicious rice. After steaming, remove the lid, mix the whole, and drain excess water.